Hey, James, have you heard of the term vibe coding?
Yeah, I think people are like really cranking out code fast with it now.
So vibe coding, if anyone doesn't know, is now software development is kind of changing, and a lot of people are relying on AI to do the heavy lifting, but we, the developers, are actually becoming like human intervention management and just pressing yes and accepting and giving feedback and asking it to correct things.
So we're like these reviewers that are making sure that what it's producing is what we want.
Exactly. And so you're really leaning into the vibes. So for example, here I'm doing Q chat and my son really likes the solar system. And so let's say I want to make an educational app, of course, educational app about the solar system to teach my kids. And I'm saying this in natural language. And it's just gonna build this app while we have a conversation. And of course it's prompting me. So now it's giving me
Here's
a bit
your
of the
architecture. Here's what I'm gonna build for you. Are you sure this is what you want?
Yeah. And here it's asking, would you like me to provide a simple example of one of the approaches to get started, right? And what age group, right? So it's asking me these questions back to make sure. So I'm gonna say my kid is 8 years old.
So it's really narrowing in on the requirements that fit for you.
And I want it to be visually exciting. Okay?
So you would have never built this app for your kid before because it would have taken too long.
Of course I would, but you know.
You're a great mom. But now you just like are gonna have the AI build the thing. You're gonna confirm that it's building it now.
I'm looking at you and I'm pressing yes. So it's great. Here it's asking me to make a directory, but I promise I was reading. Of course, review everything, especially if you're deploying anything to production. This is a simple application locally. I think that's the beauty. We're able to really do things more complex.
Yeah, I think it's gonna help us just increase our productivity even more. Maybe I'll be able to finish all the side projects that I've been meaning to finish
All the
for
unfinished
years.
ones.
Right?
It's true. Look, it's even giving me kind of the preview right in the CLI of the actual.
It would have taken you a little while to write all
Yeah,
that.
I mean, even the simple things, right? It's taking away the tedious things. And so anytime it prompts me here, I could actually give it a new piece of feedback. So fast forward, I'm not gonna have you sit through all of our vibe coding, although we're really fun. This is what it would look like at the end here from this prompt. And yeah, I'm excited to see your project. So if you want to download QCLI, you could check the link, check the caption for how to download it.
And we're gonna take this further because you started with a brand new project and vibe coded that, but we can also do refactoring, we can add features to applications, and that's what we'll show next, is being an AI first developer that uses these tools for the whole software lifecycle.
So stay tuned for the AI First Engineer series. Woo! Woo!